Hello, welcome to our clothing store. I am Lena.
Hi, Lena. I am Tom. I want to buy some new clothes today.
That is great, Tom. What kind of clothes are you looking for?
I need new shirts and maybe some pants. My old clothes are old.
I can help you find perfect clothes. Our store has many nice things.
It looks very clean here, and the lights are very bright.
Yes, we like a clean store. We want customers to feel good.
I like this feeling. It is very calm and peaceful here.
Do you know your size? It helps to find clothes fast.
I think my shirt size is medium. My pant size is 32.
That is very helpful, Tom. We have many items in those sizes.
My blue shirt is old. I need new colors.
We have many colors. Do you like red, green, or blue?
I like blue, but I want something new. Maybe a green shirt.
Green is a very good color for you. It matches your eyes.
Thank you, Lena. You're a very kind helper.
It is my job to help. I want you to be happy.
I am happy to be here. This store is very good.
Let's start with shirts. They are over here, near the window.
Okay, I am following you. The store is very big.
Yes, we have many sections. Shirts, pants, shoes, and more.
I need shoes too. My old shoes are also old.
We can look at shoes later. First, let's find some shirts.
Okay, shirts first. I need a nice shirt for work.
We have formal shirts and casual shirts. Which one do you need?
I need a casual shirt for everyday use for the park.
Perfect. Let's explore this section.
This sounds like a fun adventure.
I think you will find many good things.
I hope so. I want to look stylish.
Look at this green shirt, Tom. It is made of soft cotton.
Oh, that green is very nice. I like the light color.
It will be very comfortable for you. The fabric is breathable.
Can I try it on? I want to see it on my body.
Yes, of course. The fitting rooms are over there, to the left.
Thank you. I will take this green one, and maybe this blue one too.
Good choice. The blue shirt is also very popular this season.
I like the stripes on the blue one. It is a new style for me.
Stripes look very good on you. They make you look tall.
Really? That is good. I am not very tall.
Every small detail helps. Do you want to try a red one?
I am not sure about red. It is a very bright color.
Red can be very strong. It shows confidence.
Maybe later. Let me try these two first.
Okay, take your time. I will wait here for you.
I will be fast. I just need to see the fit.
Remember to check the shoulders. They should fit perfectly.
Okay, shoulders. I will remember.
Also, check the length. It should not be too long or too short.
Length and shoulders. Got it.
Do you need any other sizes? Maybe a large or a small?
I think medium is my size. My arms are normal.
Perfect. If you need anything, just call me.
Okay, Lena, I am going to the fitting room now.
Have fun trying on clothes. I hope they fit well.
I hope so too. See you in a few minutes.
Good luck. I'm here if you have questions.
Thank you. I will be back soon.
How is it, Tom? Do the shirts fit well?
I'm Faust. Let me play a little song. The green one is too big, Lena. It is like a tent.
Oh no! Let me get you a smaller size. A small, right?
Yes, please, a small. This medium is very big on my shoulders.
No problem. I will be right back with a small green shirt.
Thank you. This fitting room is very spacious.
We like to make it comfortable for customers. Do you like the mirror?
Yes, the mirror is very clear. I can see everything.
Here is the small green shirt. Try this one.
Okay, thank you. I'm putting it on now.
And how is the blue striped shirt? Does it fit better?
The blue one is also a bit big. I need a small for that too.
I see. So both in small size. I will get it for you now.
Thank you, Lena. You are very fast.
I know our store very well. I find sizes quickly.
This small green shirt is perfect. It feels very good.
Great! I knew it would fit you well. It looks very stylish.
I like it a lot. I will take this green shirt.
Here is the small blue striped shirt.
Thank you. I am trying it on now.
And what about this one? Does it make you happy?
Yes, this blue shirt is perfect too. I will take both.
Wonderful. 2 shirts for your new look.
I feel more confident now. These clothes are very nice.
You look very good in both. Now let's look for some pants.
Okay, I am ready for pants. I hope they are easier to find.
I think we will find perfect pants for you. Follow me.
Let's go. This is fun.
Here is our jeans section. We have many styles and colors.
Wow, many jeans. I usually wear blue jeans.
Do you want classic blue or something darker, like black or gray?
Maybe dark blue jeans. Not too light, not too dark.
Okay, I have a few options in your size. Here is a dark blue pair.
These look very good. Can I try them on too?
Yes, the fitting rooms are free now. Take your time.
Thank you, Lena. I hope these fit well.
Jeans should be comfortable, not too tight, not too loose.
I want them to be comfortable for walking.
This style is very flexible. It is good for movement.
From inside. Lena, these jeans are perfect.
Really? That is great news. What do you like about them?
They fit my legs very well, and the length is just right.
Fantastic. I knew these would be good for you.
I will definitely take these jeans. They're very comfortable.
Excellent choice, Tom. You found your perfect pair.
Thank you for your help. You are very good at this job.
It is my pleasure. I like helping people find good clothes.
What other pants do you have? Maybe for special occasions?
We have casual trousers. They are a bit more formal than jeans.
I need some for dinner with friends. Not too fancy.
I have a nice gray pair here. They are very modern.
Can I try them quickly?
Yes, try them. I think they will look good.
These gray pants are also perfect. I'll take them.
Wow, you are on a roll today. 2 great pairs of pants.
Yes, I am very happy. My wardrobe needs these.
Let's go to accessories now. Maybe a belt or a hat?
A belt is a good idea. My old belt is broken.
Here are our belts. We have leather, fabric, and many colors.
I need a simple belt, something for my new jeans and pants.
Do you prefer black or brown? Both are classic choices.
I think black. It goes with most of my shoes.
Good idea. Here is a nice black leather belt. It is very durable.
It feels very strong, and the buckle is very neat.
This belt will last for many years. It is high quality.
How do I know the correct size for a belt?
Your pant size is 32, so a 34 belt should be perfect.
This one says 34. It should be good.
Try it on quickly with your new jeans. We can check the fit.
Okay, I am putting it on. It feels good around my waist.
Yes, it looks perfect. It matches your new jeans very well.
I will take this black belt. It is exactly what I need.
Wonderful. Are there any other accessories you might need?
Maybe a new wallet? My old one is very old.
We have a small selection of wallets over here, leather and canvas.
I like this brown leather wallet. It has many card slots.
It is a very practical wallet, and it's very stylish.
I will take this wallet too. I am buying many things today.
You are updating your whole look, Tom. That is exciting.
Yes, I feel very good about it. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Do you need new socks or underwear?
No, I have many socks, and underwear is fine.
Okay, then let's go to the checkout. Your new clothes are ready.
I am ready to pay. This was a very successful shopping trip.
I am happy to hear that. Follow me to the counter.
I feel like a new person.
Your total is $150, Tom. How would you like to pay?
I will use my blue bank card. Is it okay?
Yes, that is perfect. Please tap your card on the machine.
I am tapping it. The screen says approved.
Great. Here is your receipt and your neatly packed bag.
Thank you so much, Lena. You were truly amazing today.
It was my pleasure, Tom. I loved helping you find these great clothes.
I really appreciate your patience and your good advice.
You are a very good customer. Come back to our store soon.
I will. I will tell all my friends about this great store and you.
That would be wonderful. We love new customers.
I'm very happy with all my new items. I will wear them tomorrow.
I am sure you will look very handsome. Enjoy your new style.
Thank you, Lena. The sun is setting outside. It is a beautiful evening.
Yes, it is a lovely orange and pink sky, perfect for a walk home.
I will walk home through the park. It is my favorite way.
Be careful on your way home. Have a very nice evening.
I definitely will. My wardrobe feels much better now.
That is the goal of our store. Make people happy with clothes.
You achieved that goal today. Thank you.
You are very welcome. Have a lovely night.
You too, Lena. Goodbye.
Goodbye.